Hello students, good morning. How are you my dears? Class 9th and your topic model is on progress. Your topic model auxiliaries. Dear students, there are two types of auxiliaries, two types of helping verbs. One is auxiliary verbs, means helping verbs, and second is modal auxiliary verbs. And we are studying here modals. There are 13 modals. In them 10 are pure modals: can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must and ought to. 3 modals used to, dare and need. These modals are known as marginal verbs. Marginal modals means which have a form of helping verb and a form of main verbs. So that is why these are called as marginal verbs. So, dear students, here we have studied two models in previous class. One is can and second is could. But today we will take a new model, that is may. M-A-Y. The use of may. In which conditions and what are the moods in them we use may. Means what moods are expressed by this model. Dear students, number 1 is possible. Second is possibility. Possible, possibility. Probable. Probability. Perhaps. Wish. Bless. Curse, purpose, etc. These are some moods that this model expresses. I will talk to you a little in Hindi. Possible, संभावना, possibility, संभवता, probable, संभव, शायद, probability माने भी संभावना, संभवतः, परहैप्स मीन्स होता है शायद, विश मीन्स इच्छा या कामना, ब्लेस मीन्स आशीर्वाद, कर्स मीन्स अभिशाप एंड लास्ट इज पर्पज. पर्पज मीन्स उद्देश्य, एम, टारगेट. माई पर्पज एंड योर पर्पज टू स्टडी इज दैट यू मे गेट सक्सेस. Okay dears, purpose means your purpose is to study here that you may get success. Okay, you are working hard so that you may get first division in your class. These models expresses this model expresses these moods and allow and permission. Permission. Dear students, allow and permission have also been used in the use of can. But if we have the right we have the right to allow or to permit someone, then we will use the modal can. If we do not have right, we have only request, then we will use may. थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करता हूं। यदि हमारे पास अनुमति देने का अधिकार है, अनुमति लेने का अधिकार है, तो वहां हम अलाउ का प्रयोग करते हैं। अलाउ या परमिशन है तो वहां हम मे का प्रयोग करते हैं। लेकिन सॉरी फॉर दैट, अधिकार है के लिए कैन और प्रार्थना है के लिए मे। फिर से लेते हैं, सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन। यदि हमारे पास अनुमति है लेकिन हम प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं अनुमति की, तो वहां मे का प्रयोग करेंगे। लेकिन हमारे पास अधिकार है, राइट है, तो वहां परमिशन और अनुमति के लिए कैन का प्रयोग करते हैं। ओके डियर्स, वी विल टेक सम एग्जांपल्स। आई कम इन सर, here you will use may and permission. Means to say, dear students, permission. I am requesting here to enter inside. To enter in. May I come in, sir? I am requesting here. So to express request we use this modal means may. Second is possible. There are clouds in the sky. It rain. And in bracket possible is given. In bracket possible is given, means it is possible. It is possible. It is not the correct form of the verb. It rain. It is possible that it may rain today. Why? Because there are clouds in the sky at present. At present there are clouds in the sky. So it may possible that it may rain today. It is possibility. Okay dears, may God bless you my son. Here wish or bless is given. Wish or bless is given. You will use the modal may. Okay, and after it we will study might. Might. We use might as the past tense of may. Past tense of may. May is the present tense and might is the past tense. If there are these moods, then if the sentence is present tense, sentence is of present tense, then you will use may, and if the sentence is of past tense, then you will use might. Okay dears, I will talk to you a little in Hindi. प्यारे बच्चों, यदि सेंटेंस आपका पास्ट टेंस का है तो इन्हीं मूड्स के लिए, पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए, विश के लिए, परमिशन, अलाउ, सभी के लिए पास्ट टेंस का यदि वाक्य है तो क्या लगाओगे? माइट। और प्रेजेंट टेंस का वाक्य है तो आप क्या लगाओगे? मे, MAY। ओके डियर्स, नेक्स्ट। इन जनरल रिमोट पॉसिबल। प्यारे बच्चों, यदि रिमोट पॉसिबल यानी कि क्षीण संभावना, नाम मात्र की संभावना, ना के बराबर संभावना होती है, तो चाहे आपका प्रेजेंट टेंस हो चाहे पास्ट टेंस हो, तो वहां हम किसका प्रयोग करते हैं? माइट का। हेजिटेशन, हिचकिचाहट के लिए भी इसका प्रयोग करते हैं। ओके, सुपरस्टिशन, अंधविश्वास, इसके लिए भी हम किसका प्रयोग करते हैं? माइट का। चलिए, वी विल टेक सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ माइट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टेक हियर, he cursed me that go to hell, and here is given curse. Curse means abhishap. He cursed me or he wished me. Cursed is given here, means past tense. Means past tense, means second form of the main verb is given here, then you will use might. I might go to hell. Okay, second is there are no clouds in the sky. Might rain today means remote possible, means there are no clouds in the sky. There are no clouds. You will not get any cloud in the sky. And sentence says it rained today, means there is no possibility. There is no possibility of rain today. But after all, here we use might because it is expressing remote possibility. You will use might, M-I-G-H-T. And third and last sentence is yes, cats might fly. Yes, cats might fly. Superstition means cats never fly. Cats never fly. But it is superstitions. We listen in stories that cats fly. It is andhvishwas, means superstitions. So you will use here might. Yes, cats might fly. हाँ, बिल्लियाँ उड़ सकती हैं, बिल्लियाँ नहीं उड़ सकती, कभी नहीं, never. Okay students, copy the sentences from the blackboard by pausing the video, or you may take the screenshot. I hope you got these two models. Okay students, with these words I finish my class. Wish you a bright future. Thank you.